La formazione è un tema cruciale. Quali sono le sfide che oggi la congregazione si trova davanti?
Yeah, obviously, when we are talking about renewing our passion for Jesus, formation is extremely important, whether it is initial formation or ongoing formation. Now, which are the great challenges in the area of initial formation? I think one of the great challenges really is to remember that formation is a relationship, and therefore that it is a two-way process. Maybe our tendency has been in the past to focus on the so-called one being formed, but it would be extremely important to take care of the formator and the group of formators, because it is in this relationship between the formators and those who are being formed that formation takes place. And this is deeply Salesian. Don Bosco taught us that it is in the relationship that things begin to happen, that youngsters begin to grow, that they develop their potentialities. And this is absolutely true in formation. So one of the great mantras of these 10 years is the system of formation, the model of formation is the preventive system. And I think that is a great way to go forward, making sure that formators use the preventive system in the processes of formation and involving the youngsters in their own formation, just as Don Bosco knew how to involve his youngsters in their own processes of education.
E poi c'è una formazione permanente con la comunità. Quanto è importante questo aspetto per i salesiani già maturi?
Yes, I think this is another important question, ongoing formation. Really speaking, in our constitutions, when we see the word formation, confreres still think that this is initial formation. But in the constitutions, formation means a process that lasts till we die, a process that lasts all our life. And I think helping confreres to understand this is one of the great challenges, because formation, really speaking, is my daily response to the voice of God. And I think in this chapter, if we can remind ourselves of this, that the fundamental reality of our life is that we have been loved and that we have been called by God, and that I am called in my freedom to respond to this love every day by loving God and by loving our neighbor. And for us Salesians, this neighbor is the many young people who are in one kind or other of difficulty.
Sulla base dell'esperienza e della competenza, questo capitolo che decisioni dovrebbe prendere per favorire una migliore formazione salesiana?
I certainly think that the chapter should go ahead in this line of insisting that the preventive system is our style of formation, that therefore formators need to be helped to prepare themselves for this task of formation, and that young people are able to find more and more place in their own processes of formation. Because without my own commitment to formation, there is no formation. We like to say that formation really is a dynamic of grace and freedom. God is all-powerful, but even the all-powerful God will not take away our freedom, because without freedom there is no love. And formation really is helping this process of responding freely, lovingly to a God who loves us.